Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cut circle strokes in Adobe Illustrator. It will be really simple and easy. First of all, open the Illustrator and then draw a line like this. Now go to the selection tool, go to this stroke and add some stroke. Then go to this cut tool, go for this scissor tool. Now just place the dots like this. Go to the selection tool, and if you select all of them, go for this uniform and just select this one here, and as you can see it will look like this. Now go to this circle tool, draw a circle like this, then add a stroke on it. Go to the selection tool, again select this scissor tool and again add some dots here, select it and again select this one here, and you will see you have successfully cut circle stroke in Adobe Illustrator. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to cut circle stroke in Adobe Illustrator. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.